This past week, I built a simple, reproducible user engagement summary in Equals, much faster than I would have in any other tool. Thought I'd show you how I did it. We'll start by getting our data. We'll connect to our database, and in this case, we'll pull down our events table. Let's go ahead and run this query, and Equals will pull our data directly into the spreadsheet here. Okay, cool. Now we've got a date stamp, a user ID, and event data. And let's go ahead and schedule this query to run every day so we don't have to run it ourselves. And then from this data, we're going to get our monthly, weekly, and daily active user count, which we can then use to calculate some key ratios. Doing that in a BI tool is actually pretty complicated. It'd require me to write some pretty complex window functions in SQL or get an engineer to transform the data. So let's do it instead in Equals. Here we go. We're going to build out this table. We'll do it daily for the month of January, and then let's look at our MAU, WAU, and DAU, which we'll define as folks active in the last 30, 7, and 1 days. And then here we're going to use our countUniqueIfs function, which will just look for our unique user IDs that were active, and then we're going to define that as less than or equal to active this date, and then let's go ahead and lock that, okay, and then we're going to define it again as greater than active greater than that date minus our 30 in this case. Cool. Okay, let's change this to a number. And then I think I forgot the $sign here. Okay, cool. And then let's copy this down. And there we go. We've got MAU, WAU, DAU. And let's go ahead and build a little ratio here. Cool. So we'll do DAU over WAU. And we'll get our daily over weekly active user count. We'll change this to a percentage. And then let's just go ahead and plot this. Cool. Get rid of this connection section here, and that's it. A really simple user engagement summary built in 2 minutes directly off my database in Equals.